Spinners. Android Spinner is a view similar to the drop-down list, which is used to select one option from the list of options. It is provided an easy way to select one item from the list of items, and it is shown as a drop-down list all values when we click on it. The default value of the Android Spinner will be currently selected value. And in the example, we can see that in the here homework other customs are given, and only one only can be selected, and it can be selected from a drop-down menu. And by using adapter, we can easily blind the items and spinner objects. Spinner is associated with the adapter view, so to fill the data in spinner, we need to use one of the adapter class. Spinner is like a combo box of AWT and or swing, which can be select a particular item from a list of items. Spinner is a subclass of spinner class. And attributes are Android ID. Description used to specify the ID of the view. Android text alignment used to set the alignment. Background used to set the background of the view. Padding of the view, and visibility of the view, and gravity. It is used to the gravity of views like the center, bottom, or wherever it can be. We can add a spinner to your layout with a spinner object. You should usually do it in your XML layout, as we use in XML also. We can add a spinner. We are giving a tag spinner tag Android, and we are giving Android the spinner Android spinner ID equal to spinner layout with the height is also given. Even handling, when we use select an item from the drop down, the spinner object receives an item selected event to define the selection. Even handler or a spinner implement the adapter view. The adapter view online on item selected listener requires on item selected and no nothing selected. Callback methods. Then we need to specify the interface implementation by calling set on item selected listener. If the implemented in the adapter view on item selected listen interface with the activity, we can pass as the interface instance. Image view. In Android, image view class is used to display an image file or application. Image file is easy to use but hard to master in Android. Because of the various screen sizes in Android devices, and Android is enriched with some of the best UI widgets that allow to build good looking and attracting UI applications. With image, we can make our system more attractive. Image view comes with the different configuration options to support different scale types. Scale type options are used for scaling the bounds of an image of the bound image view. Some of the scale configuration properties are center top, fixatum, and fixer. Image view Android 8. We are giving the ID and the image, and we are setting the layout. We are setting the layout. We are setting the layout, fill apartment height and width, and it also drawable. Attributes of image view. First one, ID. ID is an attribute used uniquely to identify image view in Android. Below the example code is it is just ID is given for getting the image. For the ID of the image should be specific. SRC. SRC is the attribute to set a source file that can image view to take the layout attractive. The below example of the code, and this source is given to set the source of the image or attribute used to set the source of the image. Say image that your image view to make the layout attractive. The third attribute is background. Background attribute is used to select the background of image view. We can set a color drawable in the background of the image. That is, the background should be attractive to make our program attractive. So that background is also set. The above example is there. In the diagram, we can see that drawable is also given in the padding. Padding attribute is used to set the padding of the left to right or bottom. We are setting the position of the view. Padding right means the padding from right to left of the image view. Padding left means set a padding from the left side of the image view. Padding top means set a padding from the top side of the image view, and bottom means bottom side of the image view. Padding is set on the all sides of the image view. That is, padding is the just an attractive. Below the example code padding attribute, which is at 3 dp padding from all sides of the image view. That is, we are setting 30 dp padding from around the view, and it should be almost in the center. And this code is for just showing that. And the fifth attribute is scale type. Scale type is attribute used to control the image, how it should be resized or moved to match the image view. The value of the scale attribute can be fit, XY, center, crop. This is an automated scaling system, and the scaling system, by using this scale, our image will be synced, or it can be handled correctly. We can even handling, we can add listener or image view using set on look method. Image view by write on the code in the listener method, add clicking event method and image properly using dynamic programming set on listener and events also. So the app developer can easily set on look listener on image view. Thank you.